Magagalit si ma'am.
This is Adriel.
Magagalit si ma'am.
This is Arian. This is Zayla. Hello! This is my new member, Zayla. Ipakasama si Von. And this is Bon, my second member. Wait, am I here first? Or you second? Von is second. And this is my food member. It's just a food. It's called roller coaster. You're doing that to center your crayons? Hello. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it.
Mamaya.
Destin. And this is Destin, our third member.
Kulit naman ni Mikael.
And Ethan. Goodbye. 6-7.